Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today's episode is all about travel English words, the words and phrases you need for airports, hotels, sightseeing, transportation, and everything while traveling. Learning these words will help you communicate confidently abroad, avoid misunderstandings, and enjoy your trips. In this lesson, we will go through 100 travel-related English words with pronunciation and simple examples. While listening, try to repeat each word aloud, copy the pronunciation, and imagine real travel situations where you can use them. Traveling is fun, and knowing the right words makes it even better. Let's get started. 1. Airport. I arrived at the airport early. 2. Airplane. The airplane is ready to take off. 3. Ticket. I bought my ticket online. 4. Passport. Don't forget your passport. 5. Boarding pass. Show your boarding pass at the gate. 6. Gate. The flight leaves from gate 5. 7. Flight. My flight is delayed. 8. Departure. The departure is at 8 a.m. 9. Arrival. The arrival is on time. 10. Luggage. My luggage is heavy. 11. Suitcase. Pack your suitcase carefully. 12. Backpack. I carry a backpack for traveling. 13. Security. Security check is strict. 14. Customs. I passed customs quickly. 15. Immigration. Immigration officers checked my documents. 16. Flight attendant. The flight attendant is helpful. 17. Pilot. The pilot announced our landing. 18. Seat. My seat is near the window. 19. Tray table. Put your food on the tray table. 20. Turbulence. The flight had turbulence. 21. Hotel. We booked a hotel near the beach. 22. Reception. Ask at reception for help. 23. Reservation. I made a reservation online. 24. Check-in. Check-in is at 2 p.m. 25. Check-out. Check-out is at noon. 26. Room key. Take your room key. 27. Single room. I reserved a single room. 28. Double room. We booked a double room. 29. Suite. The hotel suite is luxurious. 30. Elevator. Take the elevator to the 5th floor. 31. Lobby. Meet me in the hotel lobby. 32. Receptionist. The receptionist is friendly. 33. Housekeeping. Housekeeping cleaned our room. 34. Balcony. Our room has a balcony. 35. View. The hotel room has a sea view. 36. Amenities. The hotel has many amenities. 37. Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi is available. 38. Air conditioning. The air conditioning is cold. 39. Breakfast. Breakfast is served at 7 a.m. 40. Elevator. Take the elevator to your floor. 41. Bus. I take the bus to work. 42. Train. The train arrives at 6 p.m. 43. Taxi. I called a taxi. 44. Subway. Take the subway downtown. 45. Ticket counter. Buy your ticket at the counter. 46. Platform. Wait on platform 3. 47. Driver. The driver is polite. 48. Map. I use a map to navigate. 49. GPS. GPS helps me find directions. 50. Route. Take this route to the hotel. 51. Ticket machine. Buy a ticket at the machine. 52. Bus stop. The bus stop is near my hotel. 53. Train station. The train station is crowded. 54. Airport shuttle. The airport shuttle arrives at 8 a.m. 55. Cab. I took a cab to the restaurant. 56. Luggage cart. Put your suitcase on the luggage cart. 57. Ticket office. Go to the ticket office for help. 58. Departure board. Check the departure board. 59. Arrival board. Look at the arrival board. 60. Taxi stand. The taxi stand is outside. 61. Restaurant. We ate at a nice restaurant. 62. Menu. Look at the menu. 63. Order. I ordered a pizza. 64. Bill. Check. Ask for the bill. 65. Waiter. The waiter brought the food. 66. Waitress. The waitress is friendly. 67. Tip. Leave a tip for good service. 68. Breakfast. I had eggs for breakfast. 69. Lunch. Lunch is at noon. 70. Dinner. We eat dinner at 7 p.m. 71. Snack. I bought a snack. 72. Drink. Order a drink. 73. Water. Drink more water. 74. Juice. I drink orange juice. 75. Coffee. I like coffee in the morning. 76. Tea. Drink tea to relax. 77. Dessert. We had ice cream for dessert. 78. Snack bar. Buy food at the snack bar. 79. Fast food. I ate fast food for lunch. 80. Reservation. Make a reservation for dinner. 81. Museum. We visited the museum. 82. Gallery. The art gallery is famous. 83. Park. Take a walk in the park. 84. Beach. We went to the beach. 85. Hotel. Our hotel is near the city center. 86. Souvenir. Buy a souvenir for your friend. 87. Ticket. Buy a ticket for the tour. 88. Guide. The guide explained everything. 89. Map. Follow the map to the site. 90. Tour. We joined a city tour. 91. Photo. Take a photo here. 92. Camera. Bring your camera. 93. Souvenir shop. Buy gifts at the souvenir shop. 94. Ticket booth. Buy tickets at the booth. 95. Adventure. Travel is an adventure. 96. Excursion. Join an excursion today. 97. Hiking. We went hiking in the mountains. 98. Camping. Camping is fun. 99. Sightseeing. Sightseeing is exciting. 100. Itinerary. check your travel itinerary. Well done! You just learned 100 travel English words. Now you can navigate airports, order food, ask for directions, book hotels, and talk with locals more confidently. Remember, listening, repeating, and practicing daily is the key to improving your English. Listen again tomorrow, repeat the words, and make your own sentences. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, enjoy your travels, and see you in the next episode.